Presenting the bursting strength tester, a precision-engineered testing solution designed to accurately evaluate the bursting strength, durability, and pressure resistance of paper, paperboard, corrugated sheets, and packaging materials with exceptional consistency and reliability. In the paper and packaging industry, materials are continuously exposed to multi-directional forces during printing, converting, filling, stacking, storage, and transportation. To ensure packaging performs reliably under these demanding conditions, bursting strength becomes one of the most important quality parameters. Designed with a high-precision pressure system, robust construction, and advanced digital controls, this tester delivers repeatable, dependable, and highly accurate results for quality control laboratories, paper mills, packaging manufacturers, and research facilities. Complies with international standards. Contact Texcare Instruments Limited today to learn more about this essential testing for stronger packaging performance.